I have a boo-boo one. Where's Mary Kate?
Mary Kate's the teacher, right?
Yeah.
And what is she going to ask you?
Yeah. You gonna call her?
No, but what's she going to ask you?
Why you have her on your phone?
I don't. I'm just looking at something.
Why?
So what is Mary Kate going
To say?
You said Mary Kate's going to ask you a question?
Yeah.
What is she going to ask
She gonna have. Why you have a bandage on? Why you have a bandage on? Because I have a boo-boo one. Oh yeah, got it. Yeah.
So how did you get a boo-boo?
From the measuring tape.
Tape measurer.
Yeah. And I gonna measure how tall I am.
That's what you were going to do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you cut your finger?
And how tall I am.
You're tall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like 3 feet tall.
Yeah.
Who's on your Band-Aid? Colton, who's on your Band-Aid?